Okay, so I'm an idiot, I know. Why am I an idiot? Because I started the job and then realised I hadn't started filming, so I came back, got the camera, started filming, and that's why you've jumped in as the job's being progressive. However, you're not stupid, you can work out what's happened. Let's get back on with the video. What I've done is, my son's away, so we're doing his room and I want to paint it white. And we have this big cupboard here. This is an IKEA cupboard. And I didn't want to have to completely end it out and lay it down to move around the room. So what I did was I went to B&Q and I bought these. These are carpet sliders, sorry, and you put them on. There were 4 in there, £3.50 a bag, and I got these ones as well just in case, and they were roughly £3.50 a bag as well. And what you do is you put them underneath the corners of the cupboard, and it makes it easier to slide. Now, I wasn't too sure that this would work, so I already had these as a backup, and these were no good. The wheels just sank into the carpet. This was helpful in actually levering up the cupboard, and I put these on. Now, I want one in each corner, and then I want 4 of these in the middle parts in between the 2 ends. Now, this is what I've done so far. I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the moment, and I've got 3 more to put on. So it is very heavy still. Just to show you what's on the inside. This is just to stop the door sliding. So, as you can see, top to bottom, clothes are out there. Drawers are out here, and that's all that's in here. So this is quite weighty. I think if everything was in the drawers and all the clothes, this would be too much of a job. But just to partially take out what's in, it's become a job that I actually can do. The only thing you can't do is trying to move it from high. It will just flex and bend. You have to come from at the bottom. So you could even put a strap around and pull the strap, but one-handed I can't do it, it's too heavy. Because there's 2 of these that are joined, as I'm moving one, they start to move apart. However, what I did just before this was I screwed all the backs together to keep them connected. But that's going to allow me to move this around the room so I can get behind and paint. And without these sliders, I would never be able to move it. But with just a little bit of force, this is what happens. If I pull the front, the back drags, but I'm getting it out slowly. So, within a matter of seconds, I've moved it 1.5 feet. It now allows me to get through to the back, where I'll use this to lever up enough to slide those in. So as you can see, I've got a circular one there, I've got a rectangle one there, a rectangle one there, circle one there, and the same at the front, and that allows them to move. So if you have the same problem, go to B&Q, get these, they will help out, they will do the job. I was looking for the big sliding belts that you can get. They're advertised on American Amazon, but you can't actually get them here. I couldn't find them anyway. But for what, £7? It's a good buy. They're a 1 use only. They are sticky back. So the way I found was I took the tape off, put my finger on the edge to stick it to it, and I could slide it in and out where I wanted to. Then I would lever it down again. But a good buy. Thanks for watching. Hope they help you in the future. Cheers.